renderforce.com.
Hello, welcome to this Zoom bonus snippet. Today, I'm going to discuss using Zoom on the iPhone. Let's begin with starting a meeting. Starting a meeting is really easy. You just click on New Meeting. Now for scheduled and recurring meetings. If you remember from the previous video, a recurring meeting means you can use the same link again and again. If you've watched my previous video, you will know how to schedule a meeting, what a scheduled meeting or recurring meeting is. I'm going to say this one more time. A scheduled and recurring meeting is a meeting room you can use repeatedly. You can send the same link to people again and again. Alright, so let's see how to do it. Click on schedule. Then you can give it a name. So once you do that, you can choose a specific start time and duration. 40 minutes is the limit for the free plan. You can this repeat option is for you to get a reminder for your meeting. You can use iCalendar to remind you. You can choose a specific password and change the host and take a look at these options as well. When that's done, this is the iCalendar view of your meeting. This is the link that people usually look for when they're trying to send information about their Zoom meeting to others. To invitees, it is easiest to just click a link and join the Zoom meeting. Otherwise, you can use the meeting ID and password, which is at the bottom in iCalendar. Apart from that, there's an easier way to do this. So you go to the Meetings tab and click on your meeting. When that's done, press Add Invitees and you can see all of this. So copy the clipboard, send a message, or send email. This will send the entire Zoom meeting invitation bulk. So it'll contain the meeting ID and password, as well as the link and a short sentence that tells you that you're being invited to a meeting. So you can copy that to clipboard and send it to whoever you want. Just to start the meeting, you just click on Start. And that was it for scheduled meetings. Now for contacts. To use contacts is a very important and useful feature of Zoom. So to access them, click at the bottom of the screen in the Contacts tab. When you click that, click on the Contacts part. After you do that, External Contacts is a list of all of your Zoom contacts. To add a new one, at the top right of the screen, there's a plus icon. Click there and press Add a Contact. Enter their email address and have them click the link that comes. And that is literally all you need to do to add a contact. The features of contacts include it's easier to invite people to meetings because it calls them when you send them the notification. If you invite them to a meeting straight from the Zoom meeting options, they get a call, so it's easier for them to know that it's time to join the meeting rather than you having to send them the link. Apart from that, contacts makes it easier to share files, which means you don't need a Zoom call. You can send messages and you can send text, images, and messages to your contacts, and it's easier to chat outside a video call. And that's all for contacts. Now for channels and group chats. To access channels, you want to go to Contacts at the bottom of your screen. Then you can click on Channels at the top and your channel names will come here. To create a new channel, click on the plus icon in the top right corner. Press Create New Channel and you can create a name. You can make it private or public, and you can check these settings. So basically what a channel is it's like a group chat that allows you to share messages as if it was a WhatsApp or a Skype group. So it works the same way. You just need to click on the start to start a video call. You click on the top, and you press at the bottom of the screen the plus icon, and you just click video meeting, and it starts a meeting and it calls all your contacts. Then you can click on free phone call, screen share, photo album, send a file, and take a photo. These are all the options for a channel. Works the same way as a WhatsApp or Skype channel or a group. And in the I button, you can see the members, the images, the content, start messages, and more options here. This shows you some information about it, and that is all for channels. So that was about it for today. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions about Zoom and you want me to make a video to explain that, put your Zoom demand in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and like and subscribe.